Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. Today I am going to give you the question paper, ACES question paper solve, the transformation of sentences, how we transform these sentences. In every paper we have seen, the question is asked like that, rewrite any four of the sentences as directed. So as in my earlier videos, I have already completed transformation of sentences, like the synthesis of sentences, degrees of comparison, simple, complex, compound, single sentences, affirmative, negative, assertive, all these sentences how we change. So let's see what came in your papers, in ACES papers. These are examples from some of your question papers, higher secondary question papers. ACES 2013, the question is like that, rewrite any four of these sentences as directed. First one, Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. Change into positive degree. So, positive, superlative and comparative degree. In degrees of comparison, we have already studied there. We have read it there. So, let's see how to change this. No other city in India is as big as Kolkata. This is positive degree. As big as. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, positive, bigger, comparative, biggest, superlative. Okay, let's see second one. He left no plan untried. Change it to affirmative. So, he left no plan untried. When we change this sentence into affirmative, the answer will be he tried every plan. He came in the evening. Change into a complex sentence. So, he came here when it was evening. I shall never forget you. Change into interrogative. So, you are asked to ask questions. So, with the help of this be verb, we will ask the question, shall I ever forget you? You must work hard to succeed. Change into a compound sentence. So, in compound sentence, you must work hard, otherwise you will not succeed. Or, we can write like that, unless you work hard, you will not succeed. See, no sooner did he see me, then he began to quarrel. Change into affirmative. So, instead of no sooner, we are using here as soon as. As soon as he saw me, he began to quarrel. ACES 2014. Rewrite any four of the sentences as directed. A. This is the best book on the subject. Change into comparative degree. So, best, comparative degree of best is better. Good, better, best, isn't it? So, this is better than any other books on the subject. This is comparative degree. No other boxer is as great as Mary Kom. Change into superlative degree. Mary Kom is the greatest boxer. Great, greater, greatest. So, Mary Kom is the greatest boxer. None but Anita can do the sum. Change into affirmative. Instead of none, we are using here, to make it affirmative sentence, we use here only. None but. Here we are using only. Only Anita can do the sum. I know his name. Change it into a complex sentence. I know his name is a simple sentence, isn't it? So, we will change it. How we will change it to complex sentence? I know what his name is. Everybody must admit that Tendulkar is a great cricketer. Change into negative. So, instead of everybody, in negative form we are using nobody. Nobody will deny. Opposite of admit is deny. Nobody will deny that Tendulkar is a great cricketer. I shall never forget you. Change into interrogative. Shall I ever forget you? So, this question is also repeating. Anyway. ACES exam 2015. Kolkata is most populous city in India. Change into comparative degree. So, most, more. Kolkata is more populous than any other city in India. No other boy is as intelligent as Raju. Change into superlative degree. Raju is the most intelligent boy. No sooner did he see me, then he began to quarrel. Change into affirmative. This question also come in 2014 perhaps, 13. I know where he was born. Change into a single sentence. I know his birthplace. He tried all plans. Change into negative. He left no plan untried. I shall never forget you. Change into interrogative. Shall I ever forget you? Rewrite any four of the sentences as directed. No other boxer is as great as Mary Kom. Change into comparative degree. Mary Kom is greater than any other boxer. None but Anita can do the sum. Change into affirmative. Instead of none but we are using only. Only Anita can do the sum. Everybody must admit that Tendulkar is a great cricketer. Change into negative. Nobody will deny that Tendulkar is a great cricketer. I know his name. I know what his name is. He hoped that he would win the prize. Change into a simple sentence. He hoped to win the prize. Is it not a foolish idea? Transform into a statement. It is a foolish idea. SS 2017. Rewrite any four of the sentences as direct. The Brahmaputra is longest river in India. Change into positive degree. No river in India is as long as Brahmaputra. B. Everybody wishes to be happy. Make it interrogative. Who does not wish to be happy? See, only Ram was present there. Make it negative without changing the meaning. None but. In earlier sentence we have seen this is use of none but and only, isn't it? So, instead of only we are using here none but. None but Ram was present there. He desired that I should go there. Make it a simple sentence. He wished me to go there. He is so lazy that he can't shine in life. Make it a simple sentence. He is too lazy to shine in life. 2 and 2. Having done his work, he left the place. Make it a compound sentence. He had done his work, then he left the place. SS 2018. Rewrite any four of the sentences as directed. This is one of the best colleges in North. Change it into comparative degree. This is better than any other colleges in the North. You are richer than I. Make it negative without changing meaning. So, I am not as rich as you. There is no smoke without fire. Make it affirmative without changing the meaning. So, every smoke has fire. We can write like that, or we can write where there is smoke, there is fire. Both sentences form we can use. We heard of her failure. Make it complex sentence. We heard that she was failed. He admitted that he had done wrong. Make it simple sentence. He admitted his fault. If unless you work hard, you will fail. Make it compound sentence. You must work hard, otherwise you will fail. So these are some of the questions from your SS higher secondary question paper. Hope you have understood. And if you are go through these questions, I'm sure you can easily solve the question paper and also understand how to change or transform these sentences. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.